Alright, this is the video for 2.3 positioning stop. I'm going to go to File, New, and I want a part. I'm going to choose OK. I'm going to come down here because I'm in inches. I'm going to go to IPS. I'm going to go to Sketch, Front Plane. All I'm doing is left clicking. I'm going to go to Line, choose my origin, click anywhere, come back to Smart Dimension, left click, type in 4, enter. Go back to Line Command, go back to my origin, go up, click anywhere, go to Smart Dimension, type in 1.75, enter. Line Command, up till it lines up with that side, which is 1.75 also. And at this point, I'm just going to, let's see, let me hit escape. I'm going to go back to line, and I'm going to just draw it the way it looks, and then dimension it. Okay. Go to Smart Dimension, and we know that this is 1.25, and I also know from this point to this point, if you do your math with the 4, subtract 1.25 and take that and divide it by 2, and you get 1.375. Okay, and it's just rounding it off here, which is okay. Go back to Smart Dimension, go top to bottom is going to be 2.5, enter. Okay, exit sketch, hold down your scroll button, turn it a bit, go to Feature, Extrude Boss Base, and we want to extrude that 0.25, enter. Check that off. Come up here to your view orientation, and I'm just going to click the front view, roll it back a bit. I'm going to go to Sketch, Sketch again, and I'm going to drop a hole. I need to go get a hole here, drop that in, click it, and my radius, it's kind of hard to see in the book, but it looks like 0.5 diameter, so 0.25, enter. Come over here, draw another one, click it, type in 0.25, enter. And I'm going to go to Smart Dimension from the left side to the center. It's 0.75. Same. Right side to center, 0.75, enter. From the bottom to the center is 0.75, and from the bottom to the center, 0.75, enter. I'm going to exit sketch, turn this, and I'm hoping it's going to be able to pick up both of these. Feature, extrude, cut, and I'm going to hit OK with a check mark. Now, for some reason, sometimes it'll only pick up one, so I just kind of took a chance there. I'm going to go back, straighten this up, put another sketch here, circle, drop that in, and my radius is going to be 0.625. Smart Dimension from the bottom to the center, it's going to be 1.25, and from left side to the center is going to be 2. Enter. Exit sketch, hold down the scroll button, turn it a bit, go to feature, extrude cut, and check that off. And that is the positioning stop. You want to go to file, and you're going to save this on your jump drive. I'm just saving mine on the desktop. Chapter 2.3, save. Okay, now we want to go to file, new, drawing, okay. And remember, we want B landscape, hit OK. Go to your view palette over here, click it, go to browse, and you're going to browse, you're going to go up here and find your jump drive. But mine happens to be on the desktop, which is 2.3, and I'm going to say open. I'm going to bring in my front view, and you can see how large that is, so we know we got to change our scale. Use custom scale, click that, scroll up to user defined, and I'm going to change, I'm going to try 1 to start with. Actually, I can go ahead and put all these in. Hit escape, come back here, just click inside of this when you get that box around it. Use custom scale. 1 to 2 is too small. 2 to 3. Keep going the wrong way here. 1 to 1 looks pretty good. I'm going to move that down. Move this down. Move this over. I'm going to click to make sure I have all, click this view, make sure I have all my hidden lines. Click this view, hidden lines. Click this view and shade it. Okay? Check that off. Okay, we're going to go to Annotation. We're going to go to Smart Dimension. And I'm going to go from this side. And again, let me hit escape right quick. Go down here. You can always tell when you're not in inches. I'm going to go to IPS. Go back to Smart Dimension. Click there. Click the center. Type that in. From the bottom. Back to Smart Dimension, bottom, the center. For some reason it's not giving it to me. Let's try it again. There we go. Excuse me. Smart Dimension, side. Type that in. Drop these in. I'm going to go to point to point. Let me try that again. I missed it. Smart Dimension again. Point to point. It's got to turn orange. Drop that in. Okay. Overall height goes over here. Drop it in. Come up here. Drop that in. Put my center lines. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, we're going to come here we're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2. Try it again, 1 and 2. That's my center marks here. Okay. I'm just going to drop an angle on there. I got to delete that. I had a problem there. Okay. Again, text. Chapter 2.3. Note. Your name. And escape again. I'm just hitting escape to get out of it. Come back. Put like carbon steel. Okay, so that's the video for chapter 2.3.